Welcome to your CCPS Science Review Lab. Check out my picture today. You can see that we've got a chameleon and we've also got an insect perched on a leaf. Why is the insect in this picture easy prey? Why is it easy for the lizard to go ahead and see and hunt this particular insect? Well, if you said it's related to the insect's color, you're absolutely right. The insect doesn't camouflage, so the lizard can easily see it, and there it goes, eat it right up. Today, we're going to talk about the idea of natural selection. This relates back to evolution and what type of species continued on over the course of Earth's history and what type of species did not. Okay, so the most basic idea when we're talking about natural selection, whether nature has selected you to continue or not, the idea is if you're around to reproduce, your species continues. So if somebody eats you and you go away and you can't make little baby yous, then your genetic material is not getting passed on and your version of your species is not continuing. So if we look at our birds, all of them are eating green insects because if you look at our background, the orange insects camouflage a little bit better than the green ones do. The green ones really stick out. Yum, there go the crows and there go the insects. So again, natural selection is one of the ways that evolution works, okay? And it ensures that only the traits that help a species survive can get passed on to future generations, okay? So if we've got two organisms competing, the fittest or the strongest, the best suited is going to live and going to be able to continue their genetic line. Okay, and we see that very simply if we're watching organism versus organism, but that also works on a larger scale and involves entire populations. So in this case, if you look all the way on the left, that survival of the fittest, that talks about that one organism versus one organism, and they're competing over a resource. Whichever one is better suited is going to get the resource and continue to live to pass on their genetic material. They'll be able to make babies. In natural selection, we're talking about an entire population, okay? And then looking even bigger than that, when we see evolution, that's the consequence of natural selection over thousands of years. So you can see what's happened to an entire population over thousands of years. And again, natural selection, the idea that if you have traits that make you more successful, you're going to be around to pass those traits on. If you get eaten, you're not passing on any traits. So here's a chance for you to show what you know. Look at my two giraffes. Look at their environment. How would natural selection impact these giraffes over time in this situation? Go ahead and go show what you know. Good luck.